Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'll guide you through installing Visual Studio and setting up a basic ASP.NET Core web application. Whether you're a beginner or revisiting the process, this guide will help you step by step. Step 1. Download and install Visual Studio. Open your browser and go to visualstudio.microsoft.com. Click Download Visual Studio and choose the community version. Save the installer to your desktop or any folder you prefer. Run the installer and click Yes to allow installation. Then just click Continue to start. Follow the installation process to proceed. In the Workloads tab, select ASP.NET and Web Development. Choose Install while downloading for faster setup. Click Install and wait for installation to finish. Once done, open Visual Studio from the Start menu. Step 2. Create and run an ASP.NET Core web application. Launch Visual Studio and click Create a new project. Select one of the following templates. Right here, we will select the template ASP.NET Core Web App, Razor Pages. Enter your project name and folder path. Select .ndt8 or the latest version. Check Enable HTTPS. Then click Create. After the project loads, click the green Run button, also known as the play icon. If your browser shows a security warning due to HTTPS certificate, click Advanced, then select Continue anyway. Your web app will open in a browser window and run locally. That's it. You've successfully installed Visual Studio and created your first ASP.NET Core web application. You can now start building and customizing your website. If you have any questions, feel free to comment or revisit the steps. See you in the next video. Bye.